Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna unbox this new Poco 6 C61 smartphone. Let's unbox this. I have ordered this from Flipkart and it is black in color. Let's unboxing. You can see at the other side it is written Poco C61. Here are some details. It is 4 GB and 64 GB. You can see that. And here you can at the back you will see radiant ring design. It has secure slide mounted fingerprint also, and it is up to 12 GB processor, powerful octa-core processor, and it is a large 17.04 display. You can see Gorilla Glass 3 AI dual camera. It has AI selfie camera, and it has 5000 of battery, type C charger in the box, and it has micro SD card 2 plus 1 slot and with extendable up to 1 TB. Let's unbox this first. It has three colors: green, blue and black. I have ordered this in black color, and you can see this mobile phone. Let's put it aside and see what's inside the box. And here it is. And friends, you can see this is the USB to type C lead comes, and the 18-volt charger, Poco charger. You can see that. And let's keep it aside and come to the headset. And here are some manual. You can see that this is the manual Poco, and here it is SIM tool tray. Let's come to the phone. Friend, here it is the Poco C61 smartphone, and here you can see it's very circle, and it is the flashlight. You can see that. And it's a selfie camera. You can see that it is a front camera 5 megapixel, and it has 8 megapixel of this camera. Let's start this phone. And its processor is Helio G36 octa-core 2.2 gigahertz lag-free performance, and it is a 4G volt with dual SIM. And in the box it comes with handset, charger, USB type C cable, SIM eject tool, protective case, quick start guide and warranty guard. Friends, it has 1 year of manufacturer warranty for phone and 6 months of warranty for in the box accessories. Its reviews are very good. You can purchase it. I have given the link in the description. And you can see, because the Poco C61 contains an integral fingerprint sensor, authenticating your phone could not be simpler or more safe. It is your key to immediate access. Let it open first, and we can just set up, and we can do click some pictures and check its voice and video quality also. And friends, you can see it has 6.71 inch HD plus 90 Hz display with Gorilla Glass protection, that is big screen and fine video viewing experience. You can see. And you can see at the side here it is the SIM tray, and here you can find this volume rocker button up and down. This is power button. And here you can see at the down you can see one microphone here and a type C charging slot. And at the other you can see there it is the speaker, and here it is 3.5 mm jack, audio jack. And friends, you can see it is open now. Then you have to select the language English India, and here it is, click on start, and then you have to choose the country India, then press on next. Here you have to agree the terms and condition, user agreement, privacy policy, and press next. Then you have to connect to mobile network. Just skip it for a moment, and here it is. You have to just select it, and here I have to enter the pass key. And it is connected. Friends, getting your phone ready. Then friends, it asks for copy apps and data. Then you have to click on don't copy, and it is checking information. What's next? And here it is. Then friends, it asks for a Gmail ID. You have to skip it for a first. Just click on skip, and then you have to just disable that, all of these, and click on accept. Here it is refreshing. And friends, it asks for choose your search engine, and then you have to choose Google, or you can also select anyone, and then just click on next. Here you have to set a pin screen lock option. You can set pattern like this, you can see, and press next, then again, then press next, and it is confirmed. Click on no thanks, and click on no thanks again, and review additional apps. Just click on OK, and getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes, and you have to just disable all these, you can see, and press next, and it is getting ready. Friends, it is open now, and let's check its camera quality. Here I have just clicked a picture. You can see its front camera picture. You can see it is very clear photo, and let's see its back camera photo. You can see it is also very clear. And let's check its camera resolution. First you have to open video icon, and here it is. You can see there is a 720 pixel option and 1080 pixel option, and frame rates are 30 fps. You can see that. And let's check its video quality and sound quality. First you have to open YouTube, and here you have to search songs like this. I show you. Click on search YouTube, and here you have to type songs. And here I have to just open this. You can see that. Friends, you can see its volume. And friends, let's check its video quality also. And friends, here I have searched a video. You can see its video quality also. You can see that. I show you the picture quality also. You can see that it has 1080 pixel also. I hope you like this unboxing. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.